Hello guys, welcome to the part 3 of our point of sales from scratch series. Okay, so let's move this to, let's create this again. So public void change panel or so, and we need 5 parameters here. So let's specify what is the element of our parameter. So jpanel, and then outer true. Next is the outer false. So this outer, let's put jpanel there. This outer refers to which panel from these two will be the visible and the not visible. So this is the outer panel, and this 3 is the inner panel. So this is kind of wrong for a reason. Okay, I guess not. This is right. But then it's a little bit off because we don't have 3 more panels here inside the main panel. So we are going to add 3 more panels here, and that will be the 3 inner panels that we are going to configure. So first, let's just finish this method, or let's just create the panel. Okay. So here we are going to design the main panel, design this parent. Okay. And then let's copy this, paste it here, but let's remove the layout. So let's say free design layout. Now if we design on this container, we can design it like this. Let's add a label here. Okay. And then let's make it 13. Horizontal alignment will be center, and this one will be the cashiers. Okay, now we have this thing that will determine which panel we are in. Let's rename this as well. Cheers. Copy that and paste it here. Now let's rename this to inventory. Okay, and then design this container. Let's make this inventory, and then copy this, paste it here. This text, and let's design this, make this label statistics or so. So now we have 3 inner panels, and that we are going to configure later on. Let's go back to our script. So 2 outer panels, 1 true and 1 false. Now we need other 3 parameters. So the first is the inner true. Okay, let's copy this. Inner false, and one other inner false. Okay, so now we have 5 parameters. We have 5 panels that we can put here the change panel function or method. Now the first parameter will be set. So to have the suggestions here, you can click the control and then add space. I set visible to true. Let's copy this 5 more times. Okay, so this one will be the outer false, and it's going to be false. The inner true is going to be true. The inner false is going to be false, and then the inner false one false as well. So now we can use this method, or yeah, to our mainframe. But first we have to declare it or make an instance of this class to the mainframe. So here, let's go to source. Let's declare a global variable. So public mainframe script, and then we can make a variable name for it. So mainframe script is equal to null for now, and then we have to import the mainframe script. Now where we are going to add the value or the instance of the main script for this is here at the constructor. So mfs is equal to new mainframe script. Now we can use it. Now we can use this to call this method and configure where we're going to go.